Welcome! Today we will introduce to you our new product GeoAnts Vibrating wire readout unit. Our product comes with a special bag and includes a readout unit, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a data transfer cable. The crocodile lace on the data transfer cable can rotate 360 degrees and removable. To power on the device, press and hold the power button, and to connect the readout unit to the sensor using the crocodile lights. When looking at the screen, you can see icons for frequency mode, temperature, signal strength and quality, reading mode, temperature sensor type, memory information, data information, battery, Bluetooth and sound. Press the power button once to turn on the screen on and off. Press the set button to record instant data. You can change the reading mode with the EMTH button. Different modes are recommended for different sensors for better results. Our GeoAnts readout units support different types of temperature sensors, so you can also change the temperature sensor type with the temperature button. Use the table button to view recorded data. To return to home screen, you can simply press the home button. Press and hold the power button to turn off the device. Our GeoAnts Vibrating wire readout unit comes with two models, one with AA battery and one with lithium battery. Thank you for